Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Whoop, whoop. First video. That was freaking cringy. Anywho, today I'm gonna be doing a Smokey Eye because I feel like that's what I'm most comfortable with, and if I mess up, then I'm just not gonna make another video until like another 2 months, and then I'm never gonna post until like another 3 months, and then I'm just gonna be like, nah. Then the next year passes, and 2022 passes. I graduated high school, and then I never became famous on YouTube. So I'm gonna just do a brown smoky eye, you know, just to go with this. I might take this off though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it off. I think it's taken away from my beautiful face. So let's get started, okay? We're gonna be starting with the eyebrows. I don't really do much to my eyebrows. I just like build them in a little bit and just put the hairs up. I did a brown lamination on myself. Like I bought the kit from Amazon, and I did it on myself, and then I curled my lashes. Like the curl went down now. And the lamination, I don't know what the hell that shit went, but it was good for a couple of weeks, and now it's like down, I guess. But I just filled my eyebrows. Now we just gotta shape it up, just a little bit. I don't know, I don't like to, like, my eyebrows are pretty nice. I don't really like to mess with them because I feel like when I do too much, then I just look like a clown, and I know you don't want me to look like a clown. Ain't nobody want to look like a clown, honey. Hunty. I'm gonna put on an angled brush. I put on a little bit of the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer in color Sand. And I'm just going to take some off on the back of my hand and just put it under my eyebrow just to shape it up, because that's where I need more shape. And now I'm just going to blend it out a little bit with my hand, with my finger, I mean. Down below. It looks like I didn't do shit, but like I just cleaned it up a little bit because I kind of messed up on this eyebrow, so just to sharpen it up a little bit. But I don't really usually do this. I just like paint my eyebrows and leave the house, to be honest with you. Or I don't even put concealer on the brush sometimes. Like sometimes I just have leftover concealer and I just clean it up with that. But we're not gonna talk about that, okay, honey? Okay. So they look pretty nice. They look the same, but whatever. And I'm gonna go in with the ABH, I think, a gel for eyebrows. I probably put this gel on so many times during my routine because my eyebrows, they just like go down, or like just, I don't know. But I like just to put them up, like if it was laminated. Because I love bushy, like I love bushy eyebrows and like laminated eyebrows for me. Like I don't know, I feel like it suits my face. Like I don't like my eyebrows thin. Like once when I went to Colombia last year, I did my eyebrows, and then my mom was like, oh, like to the lady, like, oh, don't like mess up her eyebrows because like that's her shape and stuff. And she was like, what shape? Like there's no shape, but like it shapes out my face. Like that's what suits my face, if you know what I mean. And I was like, oh, that's stupid ass bitch. Anywho, I just primed my eyelids with the Pero Primero primer by LMR Cosmetics. I like it. I have never used it, but I like it. Right now it's so far so good. It's a nice sticky base. And now I'm gonna see which two palettes I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be using the Baked Brows from Dose of Colors. As you can see, I freaking love this eyeshadow palette because it just has the best like shades that you freaking need. Like has a nice light shade, and then like, bro, this is all you need. I might just use that, I don't know, but I also wanted to use this palette. This palette. It's the Editor palette by Ciade London. I don't know. So we're gonna start with our eyeshadow. I'll be going in with this light brown shade right here in the editor palette. I'm just gonna be going into my crease a little bit with it, and I'm using the Firma 201 brush. Looks like this, a nice blending brush. I really want to create a smoky eye right here, like in like just like a nice wing out. And I'm gonna be slowly blending it in closely, because in the corner, like from here to the middle, I want to put a nice shimmer, and then out I just want like a nice bronzy dark look. And like the people that just do their makeup messy and you just have to trust the process. So just trust the process. Because I probably look like a crazy ass person to you guys right now. Like, damn, what the fuck? What the fuck is this bitch trying to teach us how to do makeup? I'm not trying to teach you guys. I'm just trying to show you my passion. So this is just going to be our transition shade, like our later shade. They look okay. They look okay, I guess. I don't know. And now I will be going in with the Baked Brows palettes by Those of Colors. And I'm going to be going into this middle shade right here with the Luxie 237 blending brush. Sorry. Going in this color, which is Rock Bottom. Oh, this color. And I'm just gonna put it right there to darken up that corner. That when I'm doing black shadows, like those are my scariest, because like what the fuck, like try to mess everything up. And let's get this party started. I will be going into this shimmer right there. This is how it looks like, a nice bronzy gold shimmer. And I'm just gonna put this on like right in the middle with my finger, and with my pinky, this is my blending one, just to blend it out right on top. I will be going in with this one right here, the later shimmer, but just right on top, because I have another shimmer that I want to put right in the inner corner. Just mix it up so it can be a little bit like the highlight of the shimmer. I will be going into the Touch and Soul Philip Orange palette, just the tiniest shimmer you see right there. That's what I'm going to be putting in my inner corner. First, let's put some mascara on, okay, honey? Okay? I'm going to be going in with the Lily Lashes mascara. Just a little bit. We are going to be going in with the liner. I'm not going to be doing a winged liner because I already have my like my shadow liner. Oh. Well, why don't you look at that? Watch this. Oh. I went ahead and put on these nice pretty lashes. I kind of messed up on this one because I couldn't take off the black liner from the magnetic one that much, so I just put a little bit more of like normal liner on both of them so they can just look equal, but this one just had to be like that. This is the finished eye look. I think I'm gonna go back in with some glitter after I do my face, so let's do our face. Now we are gonna be going into this red shade right here. It's called Cherry Wood under my lash line. I'm gonna go in with the Ace Beauty So Gorgeous. It's like a nice reddish pinkish liner. If you guys are from TikTok, I know you guys know what this is. the lipstick queen thing that was on like in the beginning of quarantine, like girls were talking about it, or like in the middle of quarantine, kind of when quarantine was like coming out, and that it just like balanced like your, it's the color of your pH, I guess. Yeah, lips. So this is the final look.